Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Today is a special session about some special vocab. The heading of my today's topic is: do you know these things and their names before? Make a glance at whiteboard. What is it? So I just read for you. The space between eyebrows. The space between eyebrows, what we call. The second thing is the plastic or sometimes metallic coating at the end of shoelace. Shoelace, आपका जो जूतों में धागा प्रयोग जाता है, उस जो धागा होता है, लेस होता है, उस लेस के किनारे की तरफ कुछ प्लास्टिक या मेटल का कुछ कोटिंग लगा हुआ होता है, कैप लगा हुआ होता है. दैट्स कॉल्ड शूलेस. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? द डे आफ्टर टुमारो. A lazy feeling when you wake up and want to stay in bed. आप वेकअप हो गए, आप जाग गए, आपका आंख खुला और आप में इतना आलस है कि आप बिस्तर छोड़ नहीं पा रहे हैं. उस सिचुएशन को क्या बोलेंगे? एंड द अनदर, द स्पेस बिटवीन nostrils. This is a soft saliva, what we call. So let's we start. Please. Fine. So look at the board again. The space between eyebrows. That means the space between eyebrows. ये जगह. This is forehead. इसको क्या बोलना? What we call to this place, this soft place between two eyebrows. So that is glabella. That is glabella. That is glabella, and especially in IPA it's called glabella. Sometimes you can listen glabella, but generally pronounced it's glabella. Glabella, a soft place between two eyebrows, and this part is part of forehead. This is glabella. Pronounce once more, glabella. Right. Next is the plastic coating at the end of shoelace. That's called aglet or sometimes aglet. Both pronunciation are acceptable. Aglet or aglet. This is very difficult if you having not aglet or aglet at your shoelace to manage at your shoe, right? So aglet is a plastic coating or sometimes metallic coating at the end of your shoelace. So the day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow is overmorrow. What is overmorrow? Right? Next, the lazy feeling when you wake up and want to stay bed in regularly. What we say? It's called dyspnea. Dyspnea, a state of laziness when you walk up in your bed and you don't have energy to get up. So dyspnea. Dyspnea. Right? The space between nostril. These sockets are nostril. So the space between two nostrils, this block is called columella nasi. That's called columella nasi. So start repeating. Glabella, a space between two eyebrows. This is the part of your forehead, soft part of forehead, is glabella. Aglet, the end of your shoelace, which is coating by plastic or sometimes it metallic, it's aglet. Overmorrow, the day after tomorrow. Dysania, a lazy feeling when you wake up and don't want to get rid of your bed and want to stay in your bed is dysania. And the space between two nostrils is columella nasi. Columella nasi. So dears, these are really a word, or we can say some magic words you didn't know these things or their names generally up to the now standard. It's the rare word, right? So meet you in next class. Bye bye.